Hello family, welcome to another episode of Chef Malik Eric's channel, and welcome back. My brother is here with me with our smoothies. It's coming to show us another blend of fruits. Yobal, welcome again.
Thank you very much, Chef. It's a pleasure being here today again. Today we have with us pineapple, orange and ginger. We're basically going to target our immune system, our digestive system, and also to boost to actually avoid bloated tummies and all that. So this is just a mix for that. It's basically more or less a detox too. Yes.
So can I ask you, I can only see today we are having pineapple, orange and ginger. Yeah. So do you have a specific name
for this
one?
Yeah, so this is a detox.
Okay.
Basically, I would like to call it the pineapple detox, because it's going to have more of a pineapple flavor for you. Okay. With smoothies, basically people would love to name them by which fruit is majorly in there. Yes, so there's a pineapple detox here.
So can you explain to that what it gives to the body, or the nutrients in it? Okay.
So with the ginger like this, it's an antioxidant. Okay. Yes, it helps those with bloated tummies. It also helps if you have a cold. You know, if you have a cold, you take something like this. So it helps to boost your immune system. Also with the citrus here, the orange, it gives you vitamins. It's also good for how they're breaking down food. It has citric acid here, so it breaks down food. And it also helps to push your immune system. Then to this. So not forgetting, this also has a lot of roughages. Yes. So if you add the roughages, it helps to break down food. You get. Then the pineapple. Pineapple also has a lot of roughages like that. The same fiber helps to break down food. Okay. Also boosts your immune system and helps to detoxify or take out oxidants that are in your system, right? Or toxic substances that are in your system. So that's what we're doing here. We're combining these three here to give you the perfect, how do I call it, immune booster. Okay. Yes. Squeeze. So maybe if the squeezing is work for you, then maybe you just peel it and put it in there. You can decide to peel off the outer cover or leave it like this. There's no difference actually. It's just more of it for you. It's not poisonous. The outer cover is not poisonous. So okay, so now we can go ahead and start blending. So then instead of adding more water, we just have the orange to cover that for you. Okay, so can we have some water? Yeah, right now you won't feel the orange much again because of pour. Okay, let's leave it like that.
I can see you have added water again.
Yes.
Can you explain the reason why you add the water?
Yes. So I would have added watermelon if I had watermelon here, but then with the watermelon, if you add the watermelon will override the pawpaw for you. And here we are talking of a pawpaw. I was in a pineapple based. This is not a smoothie. This is a juice.
Let's just say pineapple based juice.
Yes, juice. Yes. So here we just add the water to help blend. Okay. Okay. So because of the roughage in the pineapple, you need to blend it for longer. Else you will still have that fiber you feel in there. What most people also would do is that after this, maybe they will sieve it out. Yeah, they'll sieve the roughage out to just get the juice part of it. Yes. So yes, we are done with our pineapple-based detox here. Very good for your immune system, for digestion, prevents bloating. Or if you have a bloated tummy, you take it in the evening or by morning, you're good to go. You would pass out a lot of gas by force and all that. Yes. So with this, you don't take it continuously. You won't worry yourself. Yes. You just have to take like 2-3 times continuously. Maybe in a day.
In the morning. And
you can take in the morning, evening. Depending on what your issue is. If it's you want to lose weight, then probably every morning where you see yourself. Yeah, there. So then we'll put it in our jar. The roughage, just like fiber, it helps to break down food also. So I mean, it's great for you. Actually, I would recommend that you try to take it like that. So chef will do us the honor again as usual and taste the smooth the detox for us. Let's see.
You know, I've just finished with the detox juice, so I'm just eager to try it, to have a taste of it, to see how it goes. Wow, it tastes great. So I wish you watch the video and subscribe, try it at home, and let me know the feedback, and let me know how it went. Thanks for coming, Yorwa. Yes. I hope we'll do it once again another time. Thanks for watching, and make sure that you subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.